Missing Feeding of the Birds, version 3 by Michael Lee Johnson. Keeping my daily journal diary short, these sweet bird sounds lost. Reviews January through March. Joy, a dig deep snow on top of my sorrows. Skinny naked bones, sparrows, these doves. Beneath my balcony window lie lifeless without tweet. No melody lost their sounds. These few survivors huddle in scuffy bushes. Gone that plastic outdoor kitchen bowl that held the seeds. I drink dated milk, distraught, rehearse nightmares of childhood. Sip Mogan David Concord wine with Diet 7-Up. Down sweet molasses and pancake butter. I miss the feeding of the birds. These condo regulations, callous neighbors below me. Polish complaints, their parties, foul language, Polish songs late at night. These vodka mornings, no one likes my feeding of the birds. I feel weak and Jesus poor, starving. I cannot feed the birds. I dry thoughts merge day with night. ZzzQuil seldom sleep. Guilt I cover my thoughts of empty shell spotted snow. These fragments, bone parts, and my prayers. Jesus dwelling in my brain cells. Dead birds outside. I miss feeding of the birds.